built in Tanjavur temples. In India, we have three temples in the same vibration. Kasi Visalachi, Madurai Meenakshi, Kanchi Kamachi, the same line. So the Pallavas, one of the old dynastic. The Pallavas, one of the biggest dynastic in South India. So the Pallavas capital is Kanchipuram. They built 1,000 temples in Kanchipuram. The first temple, Kailashanatha temple, it's 1,600 years old. In another temple, it's called name Egambaram Natha temple. There is 1,000 pillars. There is one mango tree also there is. So 3,500 years old mango tree. Parvati went there to do meditating to getting married.
Yeah, we went there.
Yeah, you've been there.
Yeah,
So you know the history about that. And then Pallava came to these places to see the huge place. Here, there's so many rocks here. The Pallava so happy. In Kanchipuram, there is no stone. He went very far away to bring the rock. He built it. And then Pallava, when they see the rock was here, before the sea water inside the village. So the sea went to the back, then Pallava came to carve these places. He was so happy to build here. This all made of granite rock. So the Pallava having business with the Chinism, with the Buddhism, with the Romans, and we have a Dravidian architectures. So these are all made of granite rock, one big huge rocks. That cave is called name Pai Pandavas Cave Temple. The Pandavas never came here. So Mahabharata story not happening here. They are just Pallava created from these places. That is the people are giving this name is called Pai Pandavas Cave. So this is no Pandavas never came, no inside Pandava statues, nothing. From that is called name Arjuna's Kanan. The last one is called Krishna Mandapa. Everything is made of one solid rock. It's all 7th century AD. 1400 years old. 1400 years old. So this temple very interesting. This is a 700 years old. It's called name Talasayana Perumal temple. Talas means head, Sthana means the lying and the floor, and the sleeping is a Perumal is a Vishnu. 700 years old by Vijayanagara dynasty. So 20 years no renovation work. 2 months before the renovation work is done. So now the people used to the active temple. Okay. That cave is called the Pancha Pandavas cave. So you like to go inside? Please. At the top you can see Dravidian style. That is the architecture Dravidian. Most of the pillars of lion pillars.
Dravidian means what?
Dravidian means South Indian. We are all Dravidian in South India.
Not working class Anamaria.
No. If you go to the North India, that is called architectures Aryas. That is called Dravidian. You see these architectures all Dravidians. See this
South Indian.
South Indian, it's called a Dravidian.
Okay.
So you can see the pillars all made of one stone. It's a one huge rock. Can you imagine how much deep to carving without any machines, nothing. It's doing by handmade.
Handmade, so they definitely they will use something.
Yeah, there's a hammer and scissor with the iron.
Hammer and scissor.
What's
Hammer and scissor.
yes, with the
Scissor
iron.
means what scissor?
Iron. The iron material. When is iron, the sharpness is less. They put on the fire, they get red color and then make a sharpness, then start to carve. So these all the pillars made of one solid rock, and inside a little cave. So you can go to try to meditate and say, oh, please go. Just go try.
No urine smell, huh?
You can say Om sound is very beautiful.
Om Shanti is very beautiful. Okay.
Om Shanti. So that side also no carving. Is this it? Yeah, this is a cave. This is a Pai Pandavas cave. Just Pallavas living here. They don't do nothing.
Just meditate.
Not for meditating, even they can use for sleep. So not for meditating. They don't have a time. The Pandavas, they need to carve. They don't have a big time to meditate.
They don't fight for kingdom.
Yeah, they get a fight with the Chalukya dynasty.
Huh?
The Pallavas went to fight with the Chalukya dynasty.
Not Chola time.
No, Chola is later.
Oh.
Pallavas is first. The Chola is the declared temple. It's after Pallavas.
I'll This one from this. Okay. இங்க மேல காந்தி you want to It's related to Gandhi. Relation to Gandhi.
Is Gandhi?
What's the story? The Pandavas story.
Okay. No, Pandavas. These are all created by Pallava dynasty.
Pallavas.
So in the world, only two places like that. One was in Angkor Wat in Cambodia. One is in Mamallapuram. So Cambodia is made of the sandstone. Here made with the granite stone. So there is one big statue, Lord Shiva. The Shiva near you can see one guy is meditating with the one leg and the two hands on the top. Here, the next to
yeah.
the Shiva.
Yeah.
You see one guy is meditating, standing with a very skinny stomach.
There.
The big statue on the right hand side. Do you see? This is called name Arjuna. Arjuna is one of the hero in the Mahabharata story. He's doing like a 12 years meditating. No food, no water, nothing. Very skinny stomach. He's doing 12 years meditating to get from the weapons like a Pashupatastra. He's get weapons from the Shiva. Because in the Mahabharata story, Pandavas was 5 people, Kauravas 100 people. So the 5 people, they can't go to fight with the 100 people. That was they need a weapon. So that was he's doing meditating to get the weapons from the Shiva to get from the fight with the Kauravas. Pandavas 5 people, Kauravas 100 people. So the 5 people, they can't go to fight with the 100 people. That was get a war to get the fight with the 100 people to get the weapons.
Weapon means what?
The Pashupatastra, like a arrow stick.
Okay.
And another story, Bhagirath meditation to bring the holy water, Ganga water. You can see on the middle, the Naga, Nagini, Nagaraja, they came out from the snake. That is a Bhagirath. So there's a Bhagirath is one of the person is doing meditating to bring the holy water, Ganga water. So the Ganga was on the sky. To come to directly to earth is not so easy. The earth was broken. Who is available holding the Ganga water? Only for Shiva. The Shiva holding the Ganga water came to be in the Shiva head, then slowly to came down. Can you see one cat is doing meditating? The cat is very old cat. Can you see the elephant tusk nearest? He's very old cat. He can't run anywhere. Cat nearest to the so many mouses came too close to the cat. He's catch one by one to eat. You see the stomach is very big. In Arjuna's stomach was empty. Arjuna doing a real meditation. Cat is doing cheating meditation. So this all carving and
That's a cat. I don't think.
cat 157 statues.
117.
So how many years is it?
1400 years old.
1400. Okay, இங்க photo பிடிச்சியா?
It's before the name is Mamallapuram. So now before it's Mahabalipuram. Maha means a great king. Bali means animal sacrifice. Pura means the village.
But now change to Mahabalipuram.
Mamallapuram. The Ma means one of the great king. Malla means like a wrestler, warrior, and Pura means the village.